Hi everyone! For today's video, let's illustrate an arithmetic sequence. Before we start, let's answer the activity, identifying patterns. So for number 1, the given sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So dito guys, nakikita natin na nag-increase siya by 2, right? So yung pattern natin dito ay adding 2. So from 2, so nag-add tayo ng 2, naging 4 siya. And then, nag-add ulit tayo ng 2, naging 6, right? Nag-add tayo ng 2, naging 8. And nag-add tayo ng 2, naging 10 siya. So, yung pattern natin dito guys ay adding 2. Okay? And for the second one, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, from 1, it became 3. So, nag-add tayo dito ng 2. And then, from 3, naging 5. So, ganun din. So, from 5, naging 7, added by 2. And then, from 7, naging 9. So, nag-add tayo dito ng 2. So, ang pattern natin dito ay adding 2. And for the third one, negative 5, negative 10, negative 15, negative 20, negative 25. So, dito guys, ang pattern natin ay, so, subtracting 5 or adding 5. Subtracting 5, pwede rin kasi negative 5 minus 5 magiging negative 10. Negative 10 minus 5 magiging negative 15, right? Negative 15 minus 5, it became negative 20. Okay? And then, negative 20 minus 5 magiging negative 25. Or, we simply add negative 5, right? Negative 5 plus negative 5, negative 10. Negative 10 plus negative 5, negative 15. Negative 15 plus negative 5, negative 20. Negative 20 plus negative 5, negative 25. So, yung pattern natin dito guys ay subtracting 5 or adding negative 5. Okay? So, pwede tayong maglagay ng plus negative 5. Okay? So, plus negative 5 yan. And for the fourth one, from 88, naging 80 siya. Okay? Naging 72, naging 64. So, dito guys, same lang sa number 3 example natin. Okay, so, nag-subtract tayo ng 8 or nag-add tayo ng negative 8. So, from 88, mag-subtract tayo ng 8, magiging 80. Magiging 72, magiging 64. And kapag nag-add ka naman ng negative 8, ganun din, 88 plus negative 8, magiging positive 80. Positive 80 plus negative 8, positive 72, and so forth. Okay. So, meron ba kayo napansin dito? Okay, tama. So, we found out that to get the next term in the sequences above, the constant number is added to the preceding term. Okay, that preceding term is being added is called the common difference. So, katulad nito guys, so ang common difference dito ay 2. I mean the constant term ay 2, tapos ito ay 2, negative 5, tapos ito ay 8 or negative 8. So, ang tawag natin doon ay common difference. Okay, so therefore, in the activity above, so we called it as arithmetic sequence. Okay, so let's define what is arithmetic sequence. A sequence whose consecutive terms have a common difference is called an arithmetic sequence. So, dapat meron siyang common difference. Okay? The sequence a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and so forth is arithmetic if there is a number d such that a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to d. A sub 3 minus a sub 2 is equal to d. A sub 4 minus a sub 3 equals d, and so on. So guys, dito, yung d na tinatawag natin, yon ay common difference. Okay, yung number na yon. Okay, we represented as variable d. The number d is called the common difference in the arithmetic sequence. So dapat magkakaparehas yung d natin or the common difference. Kapag hindi sila magkakaparehas ng common difference or yung d, ibig sabihin hindi siya arithmetic sequence. Okay? So let's have example. So example number 1, determine whether the given sequence is arithmetic or not. If it is arithmetic, find the common difference and the next 3 terms. Okay, for letter A, so we have 39, 25, 21, 17, 13. What do you think is the answer? Is it arithmetic sequence or not arithmetic sequence? Okay, you're correct. Tama, not arithmetic sequence. So, not arithmetic sequence. Bakit kaya? Tama ang hula mo. Bakit kaya? Okay, kasi kapag pinag-subtract natin to guys, a sub 2 minus a sub 1, okay, the difference is negative 14, right? And then, si a sub 3 minus a sub 2, 21 minus 25, that is equal to negative 4. So, negative 14 and negative 4 ay magkaiba. So, therefore, hindi sila magkaparehas ng common difference. So, the given example is not arithmetic sequence. Okay? How about for letter B? So, we have 2, 6, 10, 14, 18. What's your answer? Is it arithmetic sequence or not arithmetic sequence? Okay, very good. The answer is arithmetic sequence. Why is that so? Okay, kasi once na pinag-subtract natin yung a sub 2 minus a sub 1, okay, let's have solution. A sub 2 minus a sub 1. So guys, dito, a sub 2 natin ay 6. And then, a sub 1 ay 2. Right? So, minus 2. So, kapag pinag-subtract natin yan guys, 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. And then, a sub 3 minus a sub 2. A sub 3 minus a sub 2. So, your a sub 3 here is 10. Minus a sub 2, which is 6. So, the difference ay 4, right? And, of course, we have a sub 4 minus a sub 3. So, yung a sub 4 ay 14. Minus, a sub 3 natin ay 10. So, 14 minus 10, the answer is 4. And, of course, we have a sub 5 minus a sub 4. A sub 5 minus a sub 4. A sub 5 here is what? 18. Minus a sub 4, which is 14. 18 minus 14, the answer is 4. So guys, dito napansin natin, ang common difference ay 4. So, magkakapareha sila ng D, or the common difference. So, therefore, this is arithmetic sequence. Okay? Arithmetic sequence. Nakuha ba guys? And, another na pinapahanap sa atin dito ay, so, find the common difference. So, ito na yon. And, find the next 3 terms. So, dito guys, since we have a common difference of 4, okay, so between the consecutive terms, the given sequence is arithmetic. Okay. And of course, to find the next 3 terms, so we add 4 on the last term, which is 18, no? So, 18 plus 4, 22. So, sulat ko muna rito. 2, 6, 10, 14, 18. Find the next 3 terms. So, add tayo ng 4 dito. 18 plus 4, magiging 22. Plus 4, 26. Plus 4, 30. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali. How about letter C? 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Is it arithmetic or not arithmetic sequence? Of course, tama kayo. Ang sagot ay not arithmetic sequence. Since hindi siya arithmetic sequence, we don't need to find the next 3 terms. Okay? How about sa letter D example natin? Okay. So, a sub 2 minus a sub 1. That is 5 over 2 minus 3. Okay, let me show you the solution para hindi kayo malito. A sub 2 minus a sub 1. So a sub 2 here is 5 over 2. 5 over 2 minus a sub 1, which is 3. Okay guys, pag pinag-subtract natin yung 5 over 2 minus 3, ang sagot natin dyan ay negative 1/2 or negative 0.5. And then a sub 3 minus a sub 2. So your a sub 3 here is 2. A sub 2 ay 5 over 2. Kapag pinag-subtract natin to guys, okay, the difference is negative 1/2. Okay, so we have a sub 4 minus a sub 3. A sub 4 here is 3 halves or 3 over 2 minus a sub 3, which is positive 2. Okay, pag pinag-subtract natin to guys, the answer is negative 1/2. And we have a sub 5 minus a sub 4. A sub 5 here is 1 minus a sub 4, which is 3 halves or 3 over 2. Pag pinag-subtract natin to guys, the answer is negative 1/2. Okay, so we have the common difference at magkakapareha sila. Okay, so therefore this is arithmetic sequence, na? Arithmetic sequence. And since this is arithmetic sequence, hanapin natin yung next 3 terms. Okay? So the next 3 terms are, so by the way, copy ko muna yan, 3, 5 over 2, 2, then 3 over 2, 1. So yung next 3 terms natin ay form 1. Okay, magiging what? 0.5 or 1/2. Okay, how about next term? Magiging 0. Correct. Magiging negative 1/2. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali at kasimple. How about example number 2? Write the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence with 8 as the first term and a common difference of negative 3. So guys, example number 2 is different sa example number 1 natin. Magkaiba sila ng example. So, in this case guys, hanapin natin yung mga terms. So, nawawala yung mga terms natin. Pero we have the first term, which is 8, no? And the common difference is negative 3. Okay. So, for us to get the terms, so we should add the common difference to the preceding term. So, here guys, ang a sub 1 natin, or the first term natin ay, which is 8. So, given natin yan, right? Okay. So, to get the a sub 2, or the second term, the third term, kasi nawawala siya guys, hanapin natin sila. Okay? So, we should use the formula, no? So, a sub 2 minus a sub 1, a sub 3 minus a sub 2. Okay. So, to get the a sub 2, a sub 2 minus a sub 1 equals d, right? Okay. Gamitin natin yung formula natin kanina. So, yung a sub 2 natin dito ay missing. Nawawala pa siya. Copy nyo lang yan. Since your a sub 1 here is 8, sabi kasi dyan, write the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence with 8 as the first term. So, yung a sub 1 natin ay 8. So, minus 8 equals, since your difference or the common difference is also given, which is negative 3, we substitute d as negative 3. Okay? And then, by combining like terms, so a sub 2, copy nyo lang yan, bring down negative 3. So, negative 8, ilipat natin, magiging positive 8. So, paki-add negative 3 plus 8, the answer is what? Positive 5. Okay. So, to get the a sub 3, so a sub 3 minus a sub 2 equals d. Okay, copy a sub 3. So your a sub 2 here is 5. So substitute. My equals. Your d here is, or the common difference is negative 3. So by combining like terms, bring down a sub 3. And then, bring down negative 3. Negative 5 magiging positive 5, right? So kindly add a sub 3 is equal to positive 2. Okay. How about a sub 4? So yung a sub 4 natin dito guys, a sub 4 minus a sub 3 equals d. So bring down a sub 4. So your a sub 3 here is 2 equals d, which is negative 3. So bring down a sub 4, and by combining like terms, negative 3 added by positive 2. So a sub 4 now is equal to what? Negative 1. Okay. And a sub 5 minus a sub 4 equals d. So a sub 5, just bring down or copy. And then your a sub 4 here is negative 1. Take note. So minus negative 1 equals this, negative 3. Simplify muna natin to guys. So a sub 5, negative times negative is positive 1 equals negative 3. So bring down a sub 5, negative 3, positive 1 magiging minus 1 here, or negative 1. So a sub 5 now is equal to negative 4. Okay, so ang goal natin dito guys, write the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence. Okay. So we have, dito ko lang isulat. Okay, we have 8. We have 8, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 4. Okay, so ito na yung first 5 terms natin, no? So, ganun lang kasimple. And a common difference of negative 3. So, 5 minus 8, negative 3. 2 minus 5, negative 3. Negative 1 minus 2, negative 3. Okay, negative 4 minus negative 1 is negative 3. Okay, check. So, ganun lang siya kasimple at kadali. Okay, I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa video ito. Thank you for watching.